Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to view the desktop site view or desktop layout on your Android phone using the Chrome app. So when you open a Chrome app and open any of the page, you would be able to see the page layout is in a mobile view where the font size and also the layout is in mobile friendly format. Now if you want to switch to the desktop view, what you can do is you can tap on this three dot options, and here you have this option under the add to home screen, the desktop site. Enable this checkbox and the page will automatically reload, and once it is reloaded you would be able to see this layout in the desktop mode. Here the font size is still larger, but this is how the website looks on a desktop where you have this all the options and menus and all of the stuff. Now if you want to switch back to the normal mode, what you can do is you can just go and disable this desktop site option, and it will again reload back to the normal or phone mode. So in this way you can open the desktop site view on your Android phone using the Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.